You want to install the Cloud Edge app, create an account, add your email address and create a password. You're going to press the plus button in the top right corner, select Floodlight Camera, turn the camera on, you should see a red flashing light. Then you're going to press next on the app. Hold the reset button for 5 seconds, put in your Wi-Fi route and a password, press next, then hold the QR code between 5 and 8 inches away from the camera. The camera will make a sound and have a blue light on the camera. Here you'll keep pressing next. It says to place the camera where you're going to have it, and it will show you the Wi-Fi strength. Then press next and then done. Now I already have my doorbell connected to the same app, but I'm going to tap on the floodlight camera. On this page you can see what the camera is showing and some easy settings to adjust. First I tap on the light icon, which you'll see turn the lights on, and tap again to turn them off. If you tap snapshot, you take a picture of the image on the camera, which will be saved to the album section and your phone, including the recording of the videos. At the top of the screen you see the notifications, and here you can adjust the motion detection settings and adjust the alarm area, which we'll look at later. Here you can adjust the brightness of the lights by tapping to the left or by tapping to the right. And here you can adjust the light settings, so you can have the lights come on when motion is detected, adjust the sensitivity, or schedule a time for the lights to come on. And here you can turn on the siren, which is at 110 decibels. Testing. Here you can press the intercom. And if you click on history, you can scroll through the recorded footage, or press the plus symbol in the corner to scroll through, showing you different parts of the day. Or if you press alerts, you see the motion detections in a list, which you can click on to view. If you click on album, you'll see the snapshots and recordings that you pressed. Here's more settings. If you click on cloud, you can save to the cloud instead of the micro SD card if you'd like to. And here you can adjust the picture quality, but depending on your Wi-Fi signal, a high resolution may make your footage laggy, so you can just drop down the resolution. Pressing the settings icon in the top right corner, you'll find more settings that you can adjust.